Hello friends, in this video let me show you how a multimodal approach is required for a thorough cleaning and obturation of larger canals. As you can see, there is some debris left in the buccal wall of the large distal canal even after instrumentation and conventional syringe irrigation. So here I am performing some sonic agitation with irrigant in the canal followed by syringe irrigation again, and you can notice that the sonic energy is not sufficient to displace the smear layer, and hence I am using ultrasonic activation, and followed by that I again perform some syringe irrigation and now inspect the canal. And when I aspirate the canal, I could now see debris on the lingual wall of the distal canal. This video also stresses the importance of magnification in performing endodontic procedures, and the larger canals, though they may be very easy to instrument, it always poses a challenge during cleaning of the canal. Now I do an approach activation towards the lingual wall of the distal canal. Here again I use ultrasonics. This one is from Colteen, the newly launched instrument. And now I'll again irrigate, dry and inspect if the canals have been thoroughly cleaned. So though the lingual wall has been cleaned compared to how it was earlier, I could still see some debris in the distal canal. So now I'm performing continuous ultrasonic irrigation with U-files and saline. And after performing all the three techniques, that is sonic agitation, ultrasonic agitation and continuous ultrasonic agitation, now you can see that the canals are more clean. And after confirming that the canals are nice and clean, now we proceed with obturation. And again, obturation is also little tricky. Even with the use of bioceramic technique, you may not be able to achieve a good three-dimensional fill, so you need to use some additional cones passively. And not just that, here I'm also performing a passive downpack technique. I condense the GP to the middle third after shearing them till the middle third of the canal. Followed by that, we perform a backfill with injectable gutta-percha. And this video is mainly to show you how different approach is required for broader canals, whereas the mesial canals, which are narrow, is comparatively easier to instrument, irrigate, clean and also obturate. Hope this video is useful. See you all soon in our next video.